Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this NUASI 4G LTE Wildlife camera with night vision motion activated. It's a 4G tray camera with SIM card and 32 gigabit of memory card. Night camera system for the garden, for the wildlife, to see what's going on at the night time, for example, in your garden. Maybe some elephants are running there. IP66 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor. It is available in camouflage rock design and camouflage green design. The NUASI Wildlife camera with this SIM card supports remote access via the phone and control. We can access the wireless 4G hunting camera anytime and anywhere to view the live footage of what our camera captures, such as wildlife, deers, horses, bears, man, woman, and so on. And we can share it with our family through the free Ucon app. It's equipped with a low-light 850 Nm LED night vision. The NUASI 4G wildlife camera provides users with HD images and videos even at night. The photos and videos recorded by the NUASI 4G tray camera can be stored on the memory card, which is included, or in a cloud storage, if you like it. Users can freely download or play back the recorded images or videos on their mobile phones by using the app. The Gun Live camera included 4G LTE SIM card that supports EE, Vodafone, and O2. It automatically adapts to the best signal strength based on the device installation environment, so we no longer have to worry about signal issues. It is suited for wildlife monitoring, animal hunting, and outdoor locations without Wi-Fi coverage, such as farms or construction sites or your garden, and so on. It's equipped with a 4-watt solar panel and a built-in battery. The NUASI Solar Wildlife camera continues to provide power without the need to periodically replace the battery. This wireless 4G camera is so 100% wire-free and can transfer data without Wi-Fi. Additionally, it is IP66 waterproof and it has a sturdy body. This making it ideal for forests, farms, ranches, construction sites, and other wilderness areas too. And of course, the NUASI 4G wildlife camera has an activation time of only 0.2 seconds, ensuring that we won't miss any moments. Furthermore, the motion detection feature of the tray camera will immediately send us a message through the app as soon as it detects animal movement on the scene. The NUASI 4G wildlife camera. This is a 4G LTE cellular wildlife camera with solar panel, SIM card, and micro SD card. We can make a remote access via the phone anytime and anywhere. As you can see, we have an optional mounting method for wildlife camera and its solar panel too. And of course, the strapping is really cool because this is good. We can attach the camera to fix it on a tree, the solar panel on the camera directly, for example. Oh yeah, and we can mount the 4G tray camera on a solar panel on the wall or a tree if we like. That's possible too, of course. Oh yeah, to ensure that the wildlife camera has enough power, we should install the solar panel in a way that it is, of course, exposed to the direct sunlight. At the same time, it is recommended to secure it to prevent it from hanging down. And with that, we can have fun. Motion detection. Once movement is detected, the message will be immediately sent to our mobile phone. And IP66 waterproof. That means it's suited for nearly all outdoor use weather conditions. Stormy, water, sunny days, and so on. No prop. And we have 0.2 seconds rapid capture. The interesting moments is only 0.2 seconds with lightning speed available. That it comes NUASI Wildlife camera with a SIM card and memory card, fast data transmission possibility. We should install the antenna before we use it. We install the SIM card and the SD card, okay? And of course, if we like to use our own nano SIM, that's possible if there is a contract in the background running, or you use the SIM card which is included, so you can use a data plan with it, and then you can continue recording and downloading videos out of the SIM card mobile installation process thing. The SIM card comes with 300 megabyte of data as a trial. When 80% of the data is used up, it is necessary to purchase mobile data through the U-Box app. Otherwise, the camera will be disconnected. 1 gigabit of mobile data is sufficient for transfer about 2,000 photos, because each comes with 500 kilobit, for example. This is a third-generation cellular wildlife camera, and it comes with capture critical photos and videos, 365-day non-stop power, connected to the strongest signal, and watch live videos anywhere as we like. That all brings us this cool camera system, NUASI. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.